let's try to start her up here. You'll kind of get that flashing and trying to turn over, but it's not able to. So we're going to try to jump start. We've got this AVAPOW jump start kit. This is what it looks like here. And this is the port here we'll use for the jump. Take this cover off here. This is what it looks like. This just goes in here. It'll look like that. You'll get a blue light here. And then you'll go ahead and hook these up. Red to red. Black to the black. I know on black you usually hook it to something metal on the engine, but... And now we've got a green light. So that means we're good to go. And let's go ahead and try to start it. All right. We've got it started here. We're gonna let it run for just a minute. And ideally here, you wanna go ahead and drive it to somewhere where you can get a new battery or somewhere where you can install the battery. So you go ahead and remove these. Hey guys, go ahead and subscribe or hit the like button if you find value in this video. Thanks. Blue just means it's in standby, and once it's green, that means it's ready to jump. And if you get a red light, I think that's a force start function, and that means the car battery is fully dead. And I think there you would go ahead and press this button. You would hold that down button here for 3 seconds, and that'll force start. I'm guessing it's going to give more of a boost. It worked on this car, so this was pretty cheap on Amazon. I'll go ahead and drop a link. I just needed something really fast to get the car started, and it worked. So go ahead and check that out, and check out this next video.